In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a post with specific friends on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook app and hit here where it says what's on your mind to start creating new post. Now there you can tap at post's body to enter some text. And there also you can add some background and edit this post in any way that you want. And once you are done with that post, all you have to do to share it just for specific friends is just hit here where it says friends. And now there you can change this option that called post audience to specific friends. On that step, you have to select the friends that you want to share that post with. You can go through the list and check mark the persons that you want to share that post, or you can also use search if you got a long friends list here. It will be easily for you to find the person that you want to share that post using the search. Once you are done with that, just hit done there, hit done again, and now you can hit there add post to share that post for specific friends. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.